Hello everybody, and thanks for joining us for another Whitfield's food review. Oh, here. Here we go. In the rain, no less. It was raining for a while, wasn't it? So that person was just like, F it, and they left the house.
Huh?
That woman was walking around, and it's just raining. It's like, she was like in a workout outfit and everything. I'm like, it's been raining for a little bit. So that was a conscious effort. Whatever. As part of our new little food venture vlog series of more videos, more Whitfields, for good or bad, right? We are going to Lucky's. I don't know if you guys know what that is. That's Lucky's market, I guess, right? It's a market, hence the name. This place is awesome. And that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna go sip and shop and get our dinner, and you're gonna join us, I hope. It's not 900 degrees in Florida. It's most often raining, and then it's only 800 degrees. And that's where we go for our Red Robin needs. And we've never needed Rubio's. How do you not laugh at that name? I'm sorry, but damn, man, that's a bad name. You know, some guy named Dick ran and he's like, I'm sticking with it. There's Lucky's Market right there. We'll catch up with you in a minute. See, this is much easier to record stuff. I'm recording my phone, all stealth-like. Yeah, we don't really get enough. I think we got cherries once in the last 5 years. Probably not justifiable. You know right where we're going. Get the beer. There it is, folks, cafe. AKA bar. How friggin' cool is that? Let's see what they got on tap today. Land Shark, hard cider, Darwin. Okay, so we just got our beer for sipping and shopping. What did you get?
Darwin Lager.
Darwin Lager. And I got a local Cigar City apple pie cider. And it tastes exactly like apple pie. Except it tastes like apple pie with graham cracker crust. I know. All right, guys, time to go get our dinner. I love the little mochi. These are so good.
I'm not a fan.
I like them.
I don't like the jelly outside.
I like them. No joke, guys, at least 3 or 4 times a week I come up here and get a little salad, and I make it with just baby spinach, arugula, and a couple little things, and it's $2 a pop. Nice and healthy. So I can eat the fast food all the time. Ginger lime stone fruit. So this is more of the hot bar. No, I guess this is part of the salad bar still. How was this a salad? Whatever. They also have a good looking olive bar. I'm so hungry. Now that's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Dressing on the side. Made in-house. Lucky's roast turkey. Hell yeah. Here's their fresh pizzas and sandwiches, which look amazing, by the way. But Jen has trouble with them sandwiches, so we stick to just the meat, low carb. Look at, here's their deli. Their own brand is all in-house stuff. It's really good. Now look at the outside of that. That's gorgeous. There, my friends, is their world famous bacon. Just there for the taking. Oh, never mind. It's just the woman now. Oh, you took both! This is cool too. They're out of it though, but they actually have this bison. They also have venison, they have elk, but they also have boar. And the boar is like white meat, and it's really, really low calorie, but it's gone. And it was only $7.99, it was on sale, which is actually a really good price. This sounds good. Which one would you guys eat? Any of these or all of these? I'd eat all these, and I have. That Durham Ranch, they're good. These are $12. I ain't gonna be buying that. But there you go, look at that. Sushi and ramen bar. We're definitely gonna try this ramen, but you gotta kind of like sit down and eat it there. And we're busybodies. We got things to do, people to see. Did you guys know Good Eats has their own like ready to cook dinners here? Pretty cool. That's like, that's good. It's like Alton Brown good eats, right?
Yeah. That's what
It doesn't say that though.
I don't know. Maybe it's
Oh, never mind. Now what is this? Is this ribs? Whoa, for $6. Cherry. Cherry.
Oh.
It's
I thought it was
cherry with smoked ribs. Oh, guys, you think we should get that for dinner? It's only $6. Maybe. It's up to Jenn though. Yay! It's got cherries on top and it's awesome. It's only $6. Beat that. See, something cool they have is just small portions of stuff. Like 3 of them. We don't need giant portions of things. I don't even like freezing them. I like getting it fresh and then cooking that night. Look, you can get one chicken breast. Well, I think the word's gotten out. They're completely out of bacon in the deli, or not deli. They're out of bacon in the meat department, and they're out of bacon here. They have bacon chunks, bacon ends, but that looks mainly like fat. That's mostly for cooking. Smoked salmon spread.
I like that.
I love it. I love this brand. It's a local brand. They're so good. I've never even seen that. But this is really cool too at Lucky's. They have a lot of local stuff. Like they'll even have like look, local. They got some good sauces too. I've never even heard of half these. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. Yeah, guys, if you see something that you want us to try, let us know. We'll come back and get it. Try it. It's me. Hello, sir. I'm going to engage in fisticuffs with pickles. That's how we do things, because I'm a civilized gentleman.
You can't make them fight.
No, no fight. I make them smooch, though. Loose candy. Look at all the honey sticks.
They have coconut taffy.
I'm getting an alligator stick for the ride home. Car snacks. That looks so good. Buffalo shrimp. You ever had buffalo shrimp? It's really good. We've had it. Yep, we had Margaritaville. Like volcano shrimp, basically the same thing. Really good.
Oh, the frozen kind.
Beer cam. All right, well, we got our dinner for tonight, so we're just kind of looking around. I'm a little bummed out about the bacon.
Yeah.
I mean, we could get the paleo bacon, but I guess we don't really need it.
We don't need it, but the paleo bacon. Yeah, let's see if they have any more bacon over there.
We might go get a soup. Do you guys want to see the soup getting? See you over by the soup. There's our little baby soup. It's only $2.99 for that. So we got a nice dinner for like $10. Free samples of free samples of that. Oh, so good. Ooh, that's good. It's all nice and dry and crumbly. Strong, like me. Look at the size of those scallops. We're getting 4 of them for $5. Thanks to him. You guys ever had snapper? Tuna? Salmon? Mahi-mahi? Halibut? It's good stuff. Thank you. Got our scallops. We're eating like a king tonight.
These little poke bowls. They're so cute.
Yeah, we had a poke bowl for the first time ever at Payway.
I want one.
All right, guys. I think we've pretty much gotten what we need to get. I'm excited.
There's beers down here.
Are you excited? Yeah, I don't know when you snuck in those beers down there. I didn't see that.
I was being a ninja.
And then our live stream, although by the time this goes up, the stream will have already happened.
Yeah.
We'll get better at doing these before streams. Okay, guys, we gotta go check out. I'll do an outro in the car. Maybe like some fancy schmancy cinematography. I want to be like number 6 of Cheats. Look at that. They're just really good at what they do. We need to copy their stuff. So we're gonna go check out. So this is Lucky's Market. We'll do more stuff from here because this place is awesome. So if you guys saw something here that you want us to try,
The ramen. You want us to try the ramen because I want to try it.
give us an excuse to come back here and try some ramen. So let us know, but we'll see you in the car. Why does that look like that? So we are back home, and I'm going to try my alligator stick, you know, pre-dinner snack. Think of a lot of these. It's almost never just straight alligator or straight boar or whatever. It's always mixed with pork, and you can kind of tell. But gator is actually like a white meat. You can tell it's very light. So there's actually quite a bit of gator in here. Because you get a little bit of that spicy pork quality in there. Oh, spiced up pork. But you didn't get the white meat gator. Damn, that's good. So since we're actually going to my family's tomorrow having a cookout, we're actually not going to have the scallops tonight. I'm going to bring some of the stuff that we bought tonight over there. But what we are going to have for dinner tonight, coconut curry Thai chicken soup which I just had a sip of and was really good. Excuse me. Sorry. And if you're wondering, Jen's taking a shower right now. Getting ready for the live stream tonight. You're gonna see this after it happened, but a little vegetably, get a little vegetable quality in there, but you get the coconut, you get the curry, you get a little spice, you get the chicken. It's almost like, the curry's not crazy strong, so if you don't like curry, you probably get away with it. It does taste kind of like a turmeric tea. That's what Jenn was saying when she tried it. I tried a little bit of the ribs. They're actually heating up right now. They're so smoky. They're not like completely fall off the bone. I like them when they do fall off the bone. The smoke is amazing on it, and they put actual cherries right on top of the cherry wood smoke. That's some good stuff. And then, of course, this is our salad. Don't know how exciting that would be for us to eat in front of you guys. And I apologize that we did not do the outro in the car, as I said. But as we were checking out, I got a notification on my phone from Bank of America saying I was charged by Subway 15 bucks. Jenn had tried to get online for lunch today while she was at work, and it said it didn't go through. So I was like, oh, well, it did go through and we got charged. So I tried to call Subway. The guy seemed confused and then just put me on hold indefinitely. So basically hung up on me, so he couldn't get in trouble. So that sucked. So then I had to call my bank and talk to them about it, but we got it taken care of. I'm telling you, man, Subway. I ain't a fan of Subway these days. But that's not cool, Subway. We know what you're doing. But we got our money back. We're good to go. No big whoop, I guess. So either way, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like our little food vlogs. If you like these, we'll definitely do them more often. Like I said, 5 videos a week between recipes, reviews, and vlogs. Oh, sorry, something just came up on my screen. All kinds of content here on Whitfield's Food Revue. So I look like an angel, looking like, oh. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. If you want to support us on Patreon, you can do that right here. If you want to buy a shirt, you can do that down in the description too. If you want to do anything else, you can do that too, I'm sure. We can make it happen. So thank you guys for watching. Put your words into a sentence form and put it in the comments below and we can communicate, because that's how it works. So please like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff, and until next time. Didn't mean to do that. In my haste, I forgot to get barbecue sauce for our ribs. So, real quick, I whipped together, I used Trader Joe's coffee rub, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/4 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of light corn syrup, 2 teaspoons of blackstrap molasses. And this, my friends, is what you get. Little sweet, little vinegary, real smoky, good stuff. If you want a little more smoky, put a couple dashes of liquid smoke and you're good to go. So anyway, guys, that's just a little extra bonus on the end here. Gonna put that on our ribs. Quick way to make barbecue sauce if you want it. So, thank you guys for watching.